Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to split payments on Amazon. So basically splitting payments means that you're going to order something, some item, and then not pay the full price from the start pretty much. So usually if you buy something you just pay for it, you pay the 100% of the price, but if you want to pay later you can do that. So guys, you just create an account. For some reason it doesn't allow me to create an account, it's weird. You go to some kind of item. So you want to buy this controller, for example. You want to just add it to the cart like this, proceed to the checkout. In here, I won't be able to do it. And then after that, guys, I have the screenshot on the right. You will be able to pretty much choose how you want to pay. So pay in full, or you can use, as you can see, pay over time with Affirm. So I guess Affirm is some kind of Amazon, maybe Amazon app or service that allows you to pay to split the payments pretty much into a few, right? So if you want to pay for a certain item that it's more expensive, for example, in a few months, right? Or maybe you want to choose how many months you want to pay in, 6 months, 12 months, etc., 3 months, you can choose here. Also, you have pay later with Synchrony, has to be eligible for a certain order. As you can see, in this case, for some reason, it's not available. And you choose either of these. Both of them are pretty much doing the same thing. And then you can pretty much pay in pieces and not pay the full price for a certain product when purchasing it. So this is how it's done. Enjoy, guys. Just make sure to choose the item that is eligible for this pay over time or pay later, and then you're done. Guys, like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe.